The Kuala Lumpur High Court was told today that Datuk Seri Najib Tun Razak had influence over the Retirement Fund Incorporated KWAP's decision to grant a loan to SRC International Sendirian Berhad. Former KWAP Chief Executive Officer Datuk Azian Mohamad Noor said the former Prime Minister, who was also the Finance Minister at the time, was her ultimate boss and thus had influence over KWAP's decision to grant a loan to SRC International. When re-examined by Deputy Public Prosecutor DPP Datuk Ishak Muhammad Yusof, Datuk Azian said although there was no legal compulsion on the part of the accused, he still wielded a certain degree of influence, given that he was the Finance Minister and the fact that the Ministry of Finance Incorporated owned SRC International. When asked later by Datuk Seri Najib's lawyer, Tan Sri Muhammad Shafiq Abdullah, to clarify what she meant by influence, Datuk Azian explained that she felt it was not an uncommon reaction from a subordinate when instructions were given from a superior. When the DPP asked why Datuk Azian had to see the Prime Minister and convey that KWAP could only give R1 billion, the prosecution witness said that it was done upon the request of the investment panel.
Also at today's hearing, the prosecution presented its 39th witness, former SRC International Director Tan Sri Ismi Ismail, who expressed concerns about the firm's corporate governance and financial practices to former Chief Executive Nik Faisal Arif Kamil. Tan Sri Ismi said that Nik Faisal would seek to allay these by saying the firm had already dealt with the issues. He told the court that all board decisions had to be referred to Datuk Seri Najib for his advice and consent. He said he took the arrangement to mean that all matters and discussions at SRC International would be communicated by Nik Faisal to Datuk Seri Najib. The former SRC International Director, who was appointed to the post in August 2011, said he resigned 3 years later after failing to accept Nik Faisal's corporate practices. The hearing before High Court Judge Muhammad Nazlan Muhammad Ghazali continues.